Welcome to the channel. I'm your stream guide Morphine. We're going to be talking about Fiverr. Everything about Fiverr. What it is, how you use it, how much it costs. Fiverr it's a gig site. It's a freelance site. There are people on there that have expertise in one or more categories like graphic design, marketing, video and animation, music, something, right? And they sign up there. They create what's called a gig, which is a description of a service they're offering with price points based on what options you want with that service. You pay for it. The money is sort of held at Fiverr until the person delivers the signed up for service or product, and then you approve of it, and you essentially tell Fiverr to release the funds, and then you're on your way. Now, the reason why I'm talking about this is because it's one of the more popular gig sites out there, freelance sites out there that people on Twitch use, that people all over streaming communities and content creators use. Because while you may be good at streaming, or you may know the topic that you're talking about, or whatever, that doesn't mean that you know how to create a logo, or you have the musical skills to create a custom theme song or a custom intro video. But that doesn't mean you have to spend a bazillion dollars to try to get those things. That doesn't mean you have to go and try to just make your own and have it maybe not look to be the quality that you're looking for. So that's why a site like Fiverr exists. So this is Fiverr. You can see right at the top here, they have all the different categories that you can look at. So as I mentioned, graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, which I've literally never clicked in, industries, which I've also never clicked in. So those are all the different categories. Now, to give you an idea of how focused they are on things like Twitch, I'm just going to type in Twitch top, and this is going to show you all of the things that people have as a category for Twitch. So you have overlays, emotes, alerts, sub badges, panels, logos. There's also stuff for YouTube. There's everything you can think of out there. If you want intro video, you can just type intro video, and you'll see YouTube intro video, animated logo. Like, there is just a lot of things out there, a lot of assets out there that you will need or want as somebody that's going to be streaming. So let's go into the graphic design category. And now it's broken up into the subcategories: logo design, game art, illustrations, brochure design, flyer design, social media design, all sorts of things. Twitch store. So what you can see here is someone create overlays, or you can just get an offline screen. There's various services to make design, the logo design, the sub badges, the emotes, all the panels. The prices really aren't that bad. Now, there are going to be professionals in here versus more amateurs, and the prices will be different. Here's someone that is saying he will create an overlay pack, an animated overlay pack starting at $605. So here's overlay. So this person will design a custom overlay for $15. So you're going to see a wide variety of prices and a wide variety of quality on here. I implore you to read the reviews, because I'm not saying don't go after somebody that hasn't had a lot of views or whatnot. Just try to do your homework. So let's walk through one of these. I'm not actually going to buy it, but I'm going to walk through the process of it. Let's say that I wanted to get emotes. I'm going to take a quick look, and I'm just going to click on any of them. So what you see is, you have your title, and over here you have the 3 levels of this service that you can get, starting with the basic, and you also have about this gig, where they go into more detail about what they're going to provide you. And then obviously they try to say why should you choose from them, because there's a lot of people out here selling a lot of the same services. Here, every seller is going to have essentially a portfolio of up to 20 slides of the work that they provide. There are some services that I've used, say for creating animated intros where they're using some sort of a template. They have sent me to YouTube to look at the various videos that they have, and you go back and you just tell them the number of the one that you want. You send them your logo and your text, and then they just pop it into the template based on the number that you told them. Go through the portfolios, see if it looks like the style of design and creativity that you're looking for. If not, find someone else. But if it does seem good, and the details of what they're offering seem good, now you want to go back to the level. So this guy, for his $10 package, you get one design, you get one badge or emote in 3 sizes for it. So you're getting one. So Twitch, when you upload the badge or emotes, you have to have 3 different sizes, and here you're getting one badge or emote, $10. It takes 5 days to deliver. Standard service here, and people can customize his name, so don't just look for basic, standard, or premium. Sometimes people only have 1 or 2 levels. Standard, you're getting 2 badges or emotes. Premium, you're getting 4 badges or emotes. So when you're going through and you figure out what you want, and let's say we do standard, we're gonna do continue, and then what you do here is sometimes people have extras or not. This person, I believe that this job is completed in 6 days. Let's say that you want it done faster. You're you're putting yourself to the top of their queue. You would say extra fast 2-day delivery or next day delivery or whatever it is for that particular seller. And if you want more than 1 revision, let's say that I wanted just 3. So I would take this package and I would say, give me an extra 2. So now I'm getting 3 for 30, which is right in line with all the math for all the packages. And then you continue to checkout, you put in your payment method, and that gets submitted and you're good. What you do after that is every seller is going to have some questions that they need you to answer before they can start on your gig. And those questions are going to range from describe, what style you're looking for, upload an image if you have it, what is the title that you want on this picture, if you're purchasing custom music, what genre is this? You have a similar song that you want to try to stay in line with, or something to that effect. So most people are going to have some kind of questions that you need to answer as you're going. When you submit it and you answer the questions, the seller will review it, and if what they see looks like all the information they need to get started, they're going to mark your gig into processing mode, and there will be a date and time stamp from the moment that they hit, I'm ready to start working on this, or I have the information I need. And Fiverr is going to add the number of full days between when they accepted the job to when it's supposed to finish. As that date comes, they may come back to you with additional questions. They may be able to deliver your gig faster, and they'll show you the interim delivery. You can review it. Every gig will probably have a certain number of revisions you can ask for. Sometimes it's as low as 1, sometimes it's unlimited. What that means is if you don't like it, you tell them what you don't like and they try to correct it. If you only purchase the service that has 1 revision and you don't like it on the 2nd revision, there's not a lot you can do. Keep that in mind as well. So if it gets to the due date of your gig and you have not received anything, Fiverr will come back and tell you, hey, sorry that the seller missed the deadline. What you can request to cancel this project and get a refund of your money. Now the money hasn't been paid to them yet. The money still sits with Fiverr, so they control it. You can choose to do that, or you can contact the seller and say, hey, what's going on? The deadline is here, you missed it. Like, are you working on it? Maybe they'll be like, yeah, man, I'm too busy, whatever. Go ahead and cancel it. Or they might tell you, yeah, hold on, I'm about getting to it. After another day or 2 and no word from the seller, I believe Fiverr will, I think they can just kind of cancel it for you. Or you can, when you submit it again, it just automatically cancels the gig instead of waiting for the person to respond to your request to cancel like you do. Whatever the process is, let's hope that you got your good back. So that's what Fiverr is, how you use it, what it's for, and a walkthrough of the process.